Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cakes. So this video, I guess, is long overdue because I have never showed you guys how I put on my lace wigs, and you know, I just never thought I needed to. Like, I just thought, you know, I would promote these wigs, but you know, there's so many videos on YouTube on how to apply lace wigs in all different kinds of ways, using all different kinds of products. And I thought, you know, you guys will be good, and you know, I can just show you which wigs to get. But no, you guys come to my Instagram like, hey Kristen, are you gonna show us how to put on the wigs? I'm like, of all the videos on YouTube showing you how to put on wigs, you need me to show you too? Fine, I guess. So that's why I'm here. I'm here to show you guys how I put on my wigs. It's really like nothing you haven't seen before, but since you guys want it so bad, here we go. Now, before I do anything, I just want to say that I am no expert, okay? The reason I was avoiding this video is because people like to come on and be like, oh, I don't think you're supposed to do it like that. Then you make a video. You make a video then. Don't come here asking for a video and then tell me I'm doing something wrong. You wanted my way, I'm gonna give you my way. Do not come for me. First step, don't have anything on your face. Make sure your forehead is clean and rid of any oil. People like to put rubbing alcohol. I just use a toner because I don't want any of that alcohol getting into my hairline or whatever. So I just use a toner and go along my hairline so that it's less oily and won't break up the adhesive that I'm trying to stick the lace to. Next, put on your wig cap. I'm just using this beige one that is way too light, but underneath the wig it does look more like scalp, so that's the whole goal. I really don't have a problem with not having my hair in cornrows. I just can't do them. If I knew how to do them, I would definitely do them. But I'm also like super lazy when it comes to my hair. That's why I like wigs so much, because my hair and I we sometimes get along, but most of the time we don't. So let's just tuck all that away. Try to put back all of your little baby hairs until you look like this. Now you want to get your wig. Now you guys have seen me in this wig for some time now. You guys really like it too. This is an Ava wig. I will leave the link down in the description so you guys can check her out. Make sure you use my code ChrissyCakes if you want some moolah off. But if you guys want a full review of the wig, like this video, I don't know if I will have that video up before this one or not. I don't know, we'll see, but like this video anyway. And now you put on the wig. So, wig is on. Now all you have to do is just, you know, pull it forward, put it where you want it to go. Now, the only thing I use nowadays to lay down my lace is our friend Got to Be Glued freeze spray. You take your Got to Be Glued and you do a 1-2. You spray it. Now you can go ahead and fan it like I used to, but now that I have my lovely Eon hair dryer, I just put it on cool and you want to let it dry and you want to apply pressure. Sorry it's so dirty, but I use this little end of my edge comb and just press it in I press the lace into my forehead while the fan is going. So that was the first layer. I don't just do one. So that was the first layer. I'm just going to tug on it a bit and see if it, you know, really got up in there and dried. So it did for the most part. I'm going to do another layer and then I'm going to move on to whichever side I choose first. I don't lift the lace and spray underneath. I used to do that, but I like to just spray the got to be directly onto the lace in the place where I want it to be laid, and that has been working out for me way better. It's way less messy and it's way easier. So this is one side done. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side off camera because I've already been filming for 23 minutes and that's just way too long for my little 32 gig SD card. So I will be right back. I am done with laying her down. I'm so happy. I think I had a wig epiphany and I finally know how I should cut my lace, because everyone just says, oh, just cut your lace, like, oh, do it jaggedly so people don't really see where the lace starts or ends, or like, oh, just cut it where how your hairline is, or just cut it straight across. And it's just like, I've been cutting it a certain way for all these years, but now I'm finally noticing like it's better to cut mostly up here the most, but leave more lace on the sides because I have a lot of baby hairs on the sides that need to be covered. So now that I've laid the lace down, she's looking real good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just lay the edges just a tiny bit. I like my edges to be laid just a little bit. Oh, and by the way guys, I'm using this edge control. I love this way better than the Got To Be Glued gels because it's not so hard. It doesn't make your edges so hard that they can't move or breathe or even look like hair. This edge control is so much more forgiving. She's so much more polite to my edges on my wig. So we're using her. I'm just going to do a little brush on the sides here. I don't think I want the swoop in the middle today. I'll just stick with how it looks here. Now that everything is laid and not lifting and looking good, I'm going to put on my silk scarf and tie it tight. Just tight enough for everything to lay in place. So I'm gonna go ahead and film another video and then I'll be right back. So this is how the wig looks, guys. Let me just tell you the little few extra steps that I did. All I really did actually was take one of my concealer brushes, or you can even take one of the LA Girl concealers, and I just ran it through my part here so that my part looks extra crisp and nice. This is how it looks. This is how it is laying. And that's all for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment. Like, no one comments on my videos. It's so sad. But, you know, I still say comment. But, yeah, I hope you guys liked it. This is how Cakes lays her lace. It's quite simple. It's quite easy. Of course, depending on the wig you have, depending on how customized your frontal is, it will look better or worse. But, you know, practice makes perfect. I did not get this good overnight, so Don't be sad if you don't either. Just keep practicing, just keep trying, keep watching videos, keep doing things that work for you, and you should be all right. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.